epiXchange 2018 brought together Europe's best brains to pave the way for future epilepsy research. Around 68 million people worldwide suffer from epilepsy, making it one of the most common neurological diseases. To decrease this figure and pave the way for future groundbreaking epilepsy research, 7 large EU-funded projects have joined forces. epiXchange 2018 was a unique global community-building event designed to gather a critical mass of epilepsy researchers to exchange about the latest progress in research, aiming to improve the way epilepsy is diagnosed and treated, and thereby increase the quality of life of people affected.
Very good morning to you all. My name is David Henschel, and on behalf of the organisers of the meeting, it's my great pleasure to welcome you all to epiXchange. Today is, I think, a unique milestone for the epilepsy research community. We have brought together key stakeholders that have responded to an enormous investment by the EU to deliver important advances in understanding the causes, diagnosis and treatment of epilepsy.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Karim Berkouk from the European Commission.
epiXchange has been strongly supported by key players of the European Commission, such as Dr Karim Berkouk from DG Research and Innovation.
I'd like to emphasize about your initiative, the fact that you're using the whole spectrum. We have Marie Curie, we have collaborative research, and we have DG Santé, and you are managing of putting that together in a coherent way. It's very pan-European. It's also bottom-up. It's really the need of the researchers that take their own destiny somehow and want to achieve something together.
A packed and exciting schedule of talks, discussions and plenty of posters from young and talented researchers attracted clinicians and scientists, policymakers and stakeholders from all over Europe. Almost 200 participants joined the epiXchange conference and 250 more watched the live stream worldwide, unanimously agreeing epiXchange 2018 was not the end, but the beginning of something big.
As part of the epiXchange conference, the coordinators of these different projects have all agreed a position paper for the epilepsy European research community. This will result in a set of priorities, guidelines, and understanding around the challenges posed and the way forward.
Joining forces, we have a better chance to know more and to obtain more valuable information for our patients.
Only putting together results from different countries in Europe and in other parts of the world, we can reach a critical mass to provide diagnosis to patients.
Our collaboration probably will have relatively immediate impact on the patients when it comes to the diagnosis and stratification perhaps, but developing novel treatment strategies will take some time. But we hope that this collaboration within epiXchange will create a better circumstances to reach that goal.
The impact of this collaboration is very important not only for the research community but also for patients. I believe that we will be able to find new drugs and we will be able to eliminate comorbidities related to epilepsy.
My dream with regard to the epilepsies is that we stop treating them as in a blunderbuss type approach, that we're looking them in the individual causes and we're able to treat them according to cause as opposed to the symptom which the epileptic seizures are. And my dream is actually to get at least 50% of them without seizures in the shorter term.
Persons with epilepsy must themselves be involved. There's a huge stigma still associated with epilepsy, and we hope that this meeting, the aim of the meeting, solving the epilepsies, faster diagnosis, better treatments, end of stigma, that is really the big mission, the message which we want to give.
We should be able to organize a very large project where we can merge the big data we have obtained in previous projects and generate new knowledge.
I think that in this epilepsy mission, solving the epilepsies, faster diagnosis, better treatments and no stigma kind of summarizes it very well.
Certainly this epiXchange conference today is the launch of that and certainly the start of bigger things to come.
The various coordinators of these different projects will continue to meet long after the epiXchange conference and hopefully drive research within Europe toward improving the lives of patients with epilepsy.